Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have an exciting video today. This doll within this package is one I thought would be like I don't know. I looked at them, I guess, when I only had 3 or 4 smart dolls, and I really wanted her, but that particular day that she came up on the Culture Japan site, I was buying a different doll. Yes, Darren offered, but I hem-hawed around and she was gone, like they are so often. If you're thinking of getting a smart doll and you have one in mind and it comes up on the site, be sure to have your money ready and your fast typing because they go so fast. Anyway, I wanted this doll. She came around again, and I can't remember why I didn't get her the second time. But anyway, after that time, I started watching and watching and watching. You know how it is, the one you want, you can't get, that's the one you want the most. Anyway, I am excited for this doll. Here is your care sheet. And there's also on the SmartDoll Culture Japan website are some really good videos to watch as far as smart doll care and what to expect. And if you do not own a smart doll and you're thinking about it, I highly recommend going and watching those videos. I know it helped me out a lot before I started buying them, and now I am just what am I, addicted, obsessed, all of the above. I love, 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 love these dolls. Oh, I was going to bring Onward in. Where is the front of this? Hello, how do I get in? There we go. I was going to bring Onward in to show the difference between them. Now I'm hooked in my ring. You didn't know you were getting a clown show along with the video today. Oh, wait, sometimes we do that. Okay. Okay, let me just set this aside and show you what doll I did get. Here's the hint. And if you know me at all, you know I have been watching and waiting and hoping to get this doll. Oh, she's so beautiful. And Holly at Holly's Dolly Hobby bought this doll, and ever since she got her, and oh gosh, go by and see hers. She dresses her smart dolls so cute. I mean, just beautifully. Anyway, she got hers, and of course that makes you want one more when someone else has it. I wanted her in tea, and this is Dauntless. Let's look at this gorgeous face and those eyes. Should I plug this in, Darren? If you do not have a smart doll and you're thinking about one, I can't tell you how highly I recommend these dolls. They are made well. They have an actual skeleton within with a spine. You can see that they go sideways. You can hear the click in the spine. They go this way. They're beautiful to pose. I absolutely love these dolls. They have vinyl over now I got it off. They have vinyl over the overlays over the skeleton. I always show their palm. Let me move the light in on that. Okay. Their palms actually have like handprints. Their feet are just beautiful. They're well-made dolls. They have these head caps you can take off. You can change the eyes. I usually don't. In fact, I haven't, but I got some chaos heads, so I'm going to be adding. This body is absolutely gorgeous. Let me pull it up so it's not against the cardboard. Just a model, oh, just gorgeous dolls. Yes, they are pricey, but you know what? When you buy good quality, plus they come from Japan, and the shipping, to me, the shipping is not bad, and it's very, very fast. Let's see if I can do this real quick. 10 to 1, I'm going to have to take a second. My hands, ooh, look at that. I've been working on my hand strength. I bought this little teddy bear that you squeeze. Let's see if that's, I'm not sure she has a side part or a middle part. We're going to leave it right there for right now. I just wanted to show you how gorgeous, gorgeous this girl is. Look at that hair. Oh, it's got so much bounce and beauty to it. Oh, these wigs. Very, very beautiful doll. I am so happy to have this particular doll. Let me pull that forward. Let me go get Onward and show you the difference between them. These two look like sisters, but if you look at them, there are a lot of differences. They could be twin sisters. They do share the same wig. It is the same face mold, but they are different too. Now my Dauntless is in tea and my Onward is in cinnamon. I'm talking about the color of the vinyl or the skin. I am absolutely over the moon to have both of these dolls. I wasn't going to get Onward, I started to say that, because I was waiting for Dauntless to come, and I thought, well, what if she doesn't? And I'm so glad to have both these dolls. I just, all of you Barbie collectors will understand why I wanted both, how they are different. You'll see it right away. Now, the average person on the street that does not collect dolls won't see the differences, but you know, most of us can at a glance. Anyway, I am thrilled to have this doll. I wanted to praise the SmartDolls just a little more in case, and I doubt it, anybody is their first SmartDoll video. The stands for these dolls are telescopic. They do stand on their own. She won't because I said it. They do stand on their own, but I put these down for stability because I have several standing next to each other. And if you want to know how many I have, I do have that on my website under my, I think it's the page is my own SmartDolls. We also have information for the winter online event we're going to have called Winterfest, SmartDoll Winterfest. But the stand fits into the hole of the back of the doll. And then you can, you know, however or how much room you have or the area that you're in, you can move this around. I really like that. These dolls are just genius. They're geniusly made, beautifully made, and I can't tell you how excited I am to have them. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.